Yeah, could you introduce about yourself?
Hi, myself Pragya. I am from Bihar, Nevada.
My name is Ashutosh Singh Chauhan. I'm from Satna, Madhya Pradesh.
Ashutosh from Madhya Pradesh, Satna.
Yes.
Okay. So, Ashutosh, you've been here for 3 weeks now.
Yes.
Okay. What has been your gains from these 3 weeks?
The 3 weeks have been amazing because the 3 weeks were amazing. When I came here, I have very much problem in English. I was not comfortable with English, but when I joined this program, Clat Residential Program, I'm getting comfortable with English because and apart from this, apart from the education side, the personality development program is also provided by the CL Center, and means it's very fantastic. No words for.
How about you, Pragya?
So when I came here, I was like, my thought was that there was a little competition, but when I came, I realized that where I stand, and now I know that in what parts I have to work upon.
Okay. Okay. So, what shifts or drastic shifts do you see in these 3 weeks in your own self, the way you go about in your life?
So the changes I see in myself is that I was not this much dedicated for my studies before, and now I am so much dedicated for my studies because I am seeing a lot of competition here. So I have to work hard.
How about you, Ashutosh?
I've already told. I've already mentioned about the English first of all, because the CLAT and the law life is just full of English, and because reading, the faculty has helped me a lot in 3 weeks. They suggested to read the newspaper, and I have read it first
For the first time
for the first time
in life.
yeah.
I see.
Yeah, now I'm comfortable with the newspaper. And also I will also mention for the blog. Our personality development faculty has told us to write a blog, and the learning that I'm gaining from a newspaper. I used to write. I use that to write blogs, and I'm getting very good.
Yeah, Pragya. In terms of blogging, have you done blogging before?
Yes, no sir.
Oh. So how has it been?
It was my first time, and after writing that blog, I'm knowing that I'm very weak in vocab, so I have to work upon that. That's it.
In what other ways does blog writing really helps you? In what all
Improving
ways?
my writing skills.
Okay. What more apart from writing skills?
Now I'm knowing that it's not only about the storytelling; it's about creativity.
Mm-hmm.
You can create more about in writing, like it will look more beautiful.
Okay. What have you gained in writing these blogs?
Writing this law, first of all, vocabulary. My vocabulary was not very what I'm telling. It was too weak, but I'm using the vocabulary of the newspaper on that, and I'm getting very improved in vocab section. And
Okay. So going ahead, what is that you expect from this program? What more things you would like this program to add to you? Is there any such thing that you have thought about?
They will motivate us more.
Okay.
They will make us more confident,
Hmm.
and they will help us in all the way they can.
Okay. Okay. You come here in the morning at 9. Some of the days you join the Walk to Excellence and you're here by 7:30, and it is almost 6:30, 7 o'clock now. So, and I see you sitting in the groups and studying in the afternoons and interacting with the faculty, and I'm sure you have similar things happening in the hostel. In what ways have such an activity in groups helping you?
So group activity is actually like problem solving. If I am facing some problem like in maths, like my friends they're very helping. They will help me, and I'll solve it.
What more?
doing group study can help us a lot, because if you are weak in any section, our friend will help you. And moreover, GK, the most people thinks it's more difficult, but and when friends are discussing, it will get easier. It is getting easier.
Getting easier. Okay. Anything more?
No, sir.
Happy going so
Yes,
far?
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.